There's nothing worse than getting a service call out to a unit, or maybe you're working on your own unit at your building and you have an idea what the problem is. You took your readings. Maybe you are checking every single possible thing that you can think of to get this machine back online. Maybe it is the middle of summer and you got your boss down your neck. You have the customer down your neck trying to get this machine back online and you don't have anybody to call. Nobody's picking up their phone. So you pick up the phone and you try to call the manufacturer. And when they pick up the phone, basically they just blow you off and tell you that, oh, we wish we could help you, but you haven't been to this $8,000 training. And frankly, we're kind of sick of that. And I've had that happen to me on many occasions. I know a lot of other people have had that happen to them on many occasions. If there's somebody that's struggling with trying to diagnose a machine and they don't know who to call, they don't have the information they need to be successful, maybe the manufacturer's blowing them off, maybe they're not sending them the information, maybe they have a pretty good idea of what the problem is, but they won't give them the last little piece of information and give them the confidence when they need to order a $30,000 VFD card. And that's understandable. I mean, if you're diagnosing a problem like that for the first time and you think this is the problem, you're pretty sure it's not a $250 part. When you're talking, $10, $20, $30,000 for a part, you want to be 100% certain. And when you call the factory and they blow you off and tell you that, oh, yep, you're not qualified, you have no idea what you're doing, you need to have our technician come out and look at it for you, it's just wrong. I mean, when somebody calls you for help, you don't just blow them off and tell them to pound sand. It's not right. And that's why we started the Chiller Guys. We're sick of that stuff.